welcome to Back to the Roots, an urban mushroom farm in Oakland, California. My name is Jared, but when I'm having fun in the kitchen, call me Chef Gerard. Right now we're going to make Parmesan-Crusted Stuffed Mushrooms. I'm going to use these little baby portobello mushrooms as the ones we're going to stuff, and then I'm going to use these awesome fresh oyster mushrooms as the filling to go inside. What's cool is I grew them right out of this box. That's what we do here at Back to the Roots. We provide little tools to have you grow food at home. These mushrooms are so fresh, I plucked them today. I'm going to chop them up, add some smoked mozzarella, and then stuff the portobellos. How fine should we chop up all the vegetables? Well, because we're making a filling, I like to dice them up really fine so that the filling is a little smoother in texture. And to the oyster mushrooms, I'm going to add yellow bell peppers and onion. Got my pan on medium-high with a couple tablespoons of pure olive oil. I'm going to saute the veggies up. Gotta love that sizzle. Blast the mushrooms. Nice finely chopped pieces. They'll cook really fast. Only take 3 or 4 minutes. All right, so after I've cooked the mushrooms for a couple minutes, I'll take them off the heat and then add the smoked mozzarella after it's cooled down a little bit. This way it doesn't get all melted in the pan. All right, to prep these cute little baby portobellos ready to be stuffed, you're gonna turn them around, see the stem, just pull it out with your fingers. You can kind of clean the rest of those little gills out, ready to put your filling right on top. Now to get something crusted, that means you gotta put something on the outside of it. We usually use some sort of egg wash to get it wet, then use a breadcrumb to coat the outside. The smoked mozzarella has been chopped into fine little cubes. The mushroom mixture has cooled down. Gonna mix it in, and that'll go right on top of the portobellos. Now before I add the filling, I want to add the coating to the outside of the mushroom. It's going to require an egg wash, so I beat up an egg, some panko breadcrumbs, which I want to add the Parmesan cheese to. Kind of acts as a base for the cheese. And then I just start dunking the shrooms in the egg, get that whole outside wet. Dunk it in the breadcrumbs, get a nice coating. This way the filling can go in right afterwards and it won't get too messy. Right on top. These things are going in the oven at 450 for about 10 minutes. All right, so the breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese have started to get a little bit crispy. The outside of the mushrooms started to get wrinkly. That smoked mozzarella is just dripping, gooing all over the place. I think it's taster time. Whoa, that's amazing. It's got that kind of crispy outside and the gooey inside. So good. That's a Parmesan-crusted stuffed mushroom. My name is Jared, but when I'm cooking with shrooms and cheese, please call me Chef Gerard.